Alright, so here's my invention, the Suc-Vac, from back in March of this year, 19th. It's just a short tube with a piece of cloth over that one, so no pieces will go up the short tube, and then a long tube going a little further down in the bottle. Hard to see. But anyway, you got one suction and one pickup, and it works like this on pieces of cut plexiglass. Just like that, and after a while you just dump out what's in it. Try not to inhale anything that tastes bad or smells bad or aromatic, because you're going to get the fumes in your lungs.